What's up, everybody? I think this is an episode of Definitely Not Mechanics. I am in the skinny minivan, aka the Vandalorian, aka Carlos Vantana, aka Vanna Nicole Smith, aka Pamela Vanderson. And we're gonna take Tony Vantana here and we're gonna go on down the street and grab some new wheels. We're gonna pick up some wheels off of Facebook Marketplace. I've been looking for about, well, I guess right at a week yesterday was when I got the van. And I've been looking high and low for a good set of wheels. And I found a few. I thought about running some Mustang 19-inch wheels for a minute because they look cool and it would have been weird. Nobody's done anything really like that on these vans from what I've seen. And the offset was right, but all the deals I had kind of fell through. So I've been just hunting and hunting. Now, I could have bought some new wheels. I could have financed some wheels. I could have got some 3-piece, some Works, you know, something real cool. But I'm a piece of shit. So I was looking for any set of wheels under 500 with tires. I've been harassing people on the internet, and I've been making lowball offers on everything that I've seen. What is this guy on a bike doing? Check him out. Just fucking wheeling it. People that ride bikes on the street are just so weird to me. Like, there's a perfectly good sidewalk where you can go as slow as you want. You don't have to fuck up rush hour traffic. I don't know. I don't ride bikes like that, so I guess I'll never understand. So instead of meeting somebody at a, you know, a public place where it's safe, nah, I'm coming straight to somebody's house because I'm a fucking idiot. I don't know why I do this to myself. Well, that was the most opposite situation I ever thought I could be in. So apparently I was meeting her at her brother-in-law's place or her brother's place or something like that. And he was like, hey, she's on her way or whatever. And he got to looking, he goes, what are you putting the wheels on? I said, I'm gonna put them on the van. He goes, for real? Yeah. So I'm gonna lower it and stuff, and you know, it's gonna be cool. And he was like, right on, right on. He was like, what are you doing that for? I was like, I got a YouTube channel, I needed a van, and I want to deck it out, you know? He goes, you got a YouTube channel, hold on. Dude, he went and got like 3 or 4 kids, come out there and he's got a YouTube channel, he's got a YouTube channel. I'm like, oh shit, good Lord, look at this road. Oh. Anyways, he went and got like 3 or 4 kids. He's like, he's got a YouTube channel, he's got a YouTube channel. All right, so they're all writing down the shit, and they're like, you got merch, where do we buy your merch? I'm like, definitely-not-mechanics.com, that's where you get the merch, boy. And they're like, oh shit, I like that hat. They started talking to me and showing me their 4-wheelers and stuff. I'm like, yeah, we go out to all these mud parks, river run, all this and that. And I was like, right on, dude, you know, we're in the market for 4-wheelers soon, so like, we may end up seeing you guys out there. And dude, they started bringing me like Puerto Rican snacks, like these little cookies. They were delicious. And like, they just wanted to hang out and talk. And I'm like, hey man, I gotta go put these on the van, dog. That was so wild. What a situation. But here we are again, back on the road. I didn't die, so okay. Here's something I didn't notice when I bought these because I didn't look at anything because I was so distracted. These people were making me feel like I was a famous YouTuber. These are staggered, which is not a problem. Actually, a lot of people run staggereds. You can see the difference here. Pretty big difference. Let's read them. I don't know if you guys know how to read these, but you can see right here, that'll give you, whoops, PCD, that's going to be your lug pattern. This is 114.3, 38 offset, which is perfect, exactly what we needed for the rear on a, let's see, where is, here we go, that's what I was looking for, 20 by 8.5. This is a front, sorry. So this is a front, this is a rear, and it is a 20 by 10 with a, where is it at? Well, they didn't stamp that in the right place. It's a 25, plus 25 on the rears. Would you look at that though? How stunner. Holy shit. Now, one issue a lot of people have is not being able to open this with Big Daddy wheels. Whoa. We're up against it. Oh man, I don't know why I did this to myself. So I got all hyped about the offset and stuff, and I was like, man, they fit, the door opens cool. What I didn't consider was up in here. They no fit. That fucking sucks. Okay, so day 2 on the saga to find wheels that fit. Well, technically this is day 9, but this is day 2 of me. You'll figure it out when you watch the video. So the wheels that I got didn't fit. Here's something odd that happened to me that doesn't ever happen. So I hit them back up. I put them on like as soon as I got home, so I knew instantly these ain't gonna work. So I hit them up and I said, hey, I didn't realize these were staggered. It didn't say in the listing and I didn't notice because I didn't load them up or whatever. Would you be willing to give me my money back on them? And they said yes, which is crazy. And I really appreciate it, because then I would have to turn around and sell these and try to find new ones and all that. This way I could just get my money back and go on about the hunt. I had several more lined up. And I have a guy that said he wants to bring some over to my house, deliver them to me later today. So hopefully that works out. But I'm headed right now on my lunch break to go drop these back off down the street and get my moolah back. I came back today to drop off the wheels, and I just want to say again, shout out to them for giving me my money back on those. They didn't have to do that, and it was a really nice thing for them to do. So I really appreciated that. It's unfortunate they didn't work. I like the wheels, but I had asked the dad, I assume he's the dad. Leave a comment below if you are. I know you guys are watching now. But I had asked him, I said, hey, little homie gave me some little like cookie things. What were they? He said, florecitas. It's a Puerto Rican snack. It means flour. And this is how good of people they are. He brought me out the bag. I'm so hyped about this. I'm gonna demolish these before I even make it home. These are awesome, dude. Well, we're on to finding the next set of wheels. Like I said earlier, a guy should be coming by here in a minute to my apartment to show the wheels to me and see if I like them, I guess. I didn't tell him for sure that I wanted them because I'm still unsure of the offset and stuff, but whenever he gets there, I've got the tools and stuff. I'm gonna jack it up and try one on just to see if it'll work. Okay, so Home Dude just brought the wheels, and they're definitely not curved as bad as the other ones, that's for sure. And they can definitely be repaired, whereas the other ones I don't believe could have, but whoosh. Not bad, huh? The tires are completely shot. Like you can see, that one's belted on the inside. They're all pretty bad. So I'm gonna take the two that are the least from worst, which is this one and the one that's on it. Take those off. Well, nope. This one's got a pretty big freaking chunk taken out of it. So I guess I'm not gonna keep any of those tires. We'll toss those, and then I'll get some new ones, probably something a little taller. I'm not really a fan of the look of this 225/35 on here. So I'm probably gonna bump it up to like a 245/40 or maybe a 235/35, something like that. A little bit taller, something around 26 to 27 inches total height. Man, I think that's gonna be sweet though. Wish I had good tires so I could put them all on right now, you know? So I originally shot an outro for the video when I put the first set of wheels on, and then I realized they didn't fit, so I had to scrap that completely forgot to film another one, so here you go, guys. As you can see, I got the second set of wheels. They fit. They're square setup, which is really what I like. That was one of the biggest problems I had with the setup on this tin, is that it wasn't square, it was staggered, and I'm just not a fan of staggered because I like. So I've got some tires ready and on the way for these. I've got some other parts on the way for the van. You'll see that in future videos. But I just wanted to touch on the wheels themselves. They are kind of curved up. They're not the best looking, but there's nothing structural or integrally wrong with them. So I'm gonna have Zach take the tires off and throw those right in the fucking ocean, you know? And then I am going to try to refinish some wheels. Plenty of people have videos out there. If you guys want a full in-depth how-to, Chris Fix probably has one of the best ones, and I just like supporting anything he does. But I am going to do it the shithead way, and you'll see what I'm talking about when the video comes out. We'll try our hand at getting these, like, I want to try to get them as close to showroom quality as possible. Like, we're talking 70% of the way to new. That's where we're stopping. Like SEMA showroom, that quality. So like, I can half-ass it, and it's not that bad as long as I put enough coats of paint on it. So, look out for that video in the future. Look out for the rest of our content involving the Vandalorian itself. And, you know, just check out our merch. We've got merch. We talk about it a lot. That's because we got it. We just like telling people. There's some other people out there that have YouTube channels that have merch, and they don't talk about their merch enough. And yeah, I'm not going to name any names or anything. But I'm just saying, if I wanted some of that merch, I don't know where to buy it. I just know they have it. You know where to buy ours? DefinitelyNotMechanics.com. It's easy. Definitely Not Mechanics is the name of the channel. Definitely Not Mechanics is the name of the website. That's where you get the Definitely Not Mechanics merch. So go to DefinitelyNotMechanics.com, get the Definitely Not Mechanics merch, post some pictures online and tag us in them. Because after this merch goes out into the ether, we don't hear back from anybody. Nobody's like, hey, I got it. All we've got to tracking delivery. We send people messages like, hey, send us a picture with your merch. And they're like, don't talk to my daughter that way. And it's just get the fuck off of the phone and go work on your project.